Create a 10 by 10 px file. Select a black background. Add a white rectangle. Duplicate this layer and move it to the side. Repeat this process. Change the color of the middle rectangle to gray.
I think the girls with their nails done now.
Add blur.
Nails done. I think the girls with their nails done.
Save the file as a pattern. Open your photo. Add brightness and contrast. Add black and white. Double-click on the photo layer. Click on the Pattern Overlay tab. Select the pattern you just saved here. Select the Hard Mix option from the Blend Mode menu. Click OK. Select all layers with the Shift key and convert them to a smart object. Duplicate the smart object you created. Add blur. Select Lighten as the blend mode for the blur layer. Add a gradient. Change the gradient colors to suit your needs. Your image is ready. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment.